If your room is looking like a hot mess and you're currently struggling with seasonal depression, you have come to the right place. This video will give you a serious boost of motivation. Before anyone comes for me, not that I think that anyone would come for me, because I feel like I've been able to build an amazing community of people who are on the same boat as me. Winter is approaching us and it's not a very good time for me. I deal with seasonal depression and I've been very open about dealing with depression on my channel. One of my biggest struggles is keeping my room clean because I just cannot find it within myself to clean my room. Like, I physically cannot. I've not deep cleaned my room since the last time that I deep cleaned my room, which I think was like a month ago or 2 months.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Milo's been having to deal with my very messy, disorganized self. Milo can be very messy too, as you can see in his area. I've been taking out my trash in like, I don't know how long, and I've just been kind of throwing everything on the ground. My bed is, yeah, we're not even gonna talk about that. That's just not even discussable at this point. But honestly, I'm just really happy that I'm making this video and I'm forcing myself to clean my room for you guys. You guys are like the motivation right now to clean my room. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I don't even know where to start. That's the hardest part about cleaning my room. So let me make a list. I think the hardest part of dealing with seasonal depression is finding the motivation to want to do anything. I can never find a reason to be motivated, and if you feel that way, I really hope that you can use this video as a reason to get motivated. Go off and do what you need to do and just use this video as a reason for motivation. That will literally put a smile on my face. The reason why I make these videos are not just to show you how I clean my room, but because I know that there's a lot of people who struggle with just simply cleaning their room. And I don't want to be one of those people who make videos online just making profit off of it. My goal in life is to simply create a place where people who struggle with mental health can come and feel like they are not alone and like you're not crazy for feeling the way that you do. I just really hope you guys know that I love you and that you're not alone. You're not going through this by yourself. I'm really thinking about moving my desk to that side. Bro, I have to use a freaking cotton swab because this freaking tripod broke. Why can't you just walk on wooden floor like a normal bunny? Take this off. See, my smart self decided to put these on here. Perfect. I also really want to get rid of Milo's rug because I've had this for like 2 years now and it's just, I don't know, like it's just looking very old and I feel like I could use this one. and then bring up my other fuzzy rug that he really loves, and then put both of those in my room. That way he has a lot more space to run on, right? Okay. Excuse me. Alright guys, I figured it out. This is what Milo's area is looking like. Before, it was just really compact and small for him. And Milo is an only bunny, so I want to make sure that I give him all the room to run around. And I really want to bring up my other rug and then maybe put it here, figure out how to like set it up so that he has extra room to run in. I really freaking love you, Milo. So I want to make sure that I give him the best life, and I don't know why I'm getting really emotional right now. I'm about to cry, but I just really freaking love Milo, and a lot of people always ask where he is, but he's literally always lurking in the backgrounds. I just don't always show him, but yes, there he is, giving you the side eye. swear, making my bed is probably the most exhausting thing ever. Like switching out the bed sheets and everything. Like, look at me. I look like a hot mess. But let's put the rug in and see Milo's reaction. There he is, look at him. He's like, oh my god. I know he's freaking out right now. I totally just remembered that I forgot to clean the ceiling fan. Honestly, I think my room looks 10 times better like this. I really like the setup like this a lot more in my room. What do you guys think? But my room's looking a little bit sad because I have not decorated for Christmas and it is already December. Let's add some Christmas spice to our room. guys are gonna get to experience this with me alongside with Milo. Come on, Milo. Are you ready for the annual Christmas tree lighting? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and are you ready for this, Milo? 1. Oh my goodness. On that note, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that I gave you some motivation to get your life together or your room. And I know that this holiday season can be very hard for everyone. I just want to remind you guys that even though this holiday season can be hard, I'm here for you, and most importantly, God is here for you, and He is the reason, Jesus is the reason for this season. So let's try to keep that in mind, and I hope that you guys... I forgot one thing! Okay, it barely works. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season, and leave a comment down below for some Christmas cheer, some Christmas spirit. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God loves you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Show love. Bye.